Hello everyone. In this video, we will introduce importing a module that contains a main function. You can use the Python's built-in variable name to conditionally execute the main function in a module. Let's look at this example. This random character with main contains useful functions for processing random characters. Also, a main function to test these functions. Now, what happens if we try to write a program that uses all these functions? So I'm going to have to this write code is from random character with main import everything. Now, if we run this program, we're going to have a problem, an error, because the name of the program is random character with main. And here, and you have this, the same thing here from random character with main. So it cannot be in the same program. So this is kind of recursive importing. So let's copy and paste this code into a different program. So on the same page here, we have a different program, random character with conditional main. So I'm now copy and paste this. All right, let's just do a simple thing here. I'm going to get rid of this main and just simply print one character. So let's do this. All right, so I'm going to run this code now. And you're going to see here, I got a bunch of code before we get to print this one random lowercase letter. Where this come from? All this coming from right here. You can see it. This is the main. So here we have this is the import this random character with main. So random character with main. So if you look at this random character with main, has a bunch of useful functions, but also this main function. The main function is also get executed when you import it. How do you prevent it, the main function from being executed if you import it? So what you can do is using this Python's built-in name variable. This name variable is the Python's built-in name variable. It's the variable is called name. It's special syntax with this underscores before name and after name. So when you run this program, random character with conditional main stand alone. So this main function is going to be executed. The reason is here, this main is going to be called is this variable will get exactly the same as this string main. So this is what you're going to see. You're going to see if you print it out, and you're going to see if you print this out, name. Okay, and you run this and you print this out, you see exactly the string main. So this is match, it's true, and main is going to be called. But if you do it differently, so let's do this now. I'm going to rewrite this code, and here, so right here, I'm going to say from random character with conditional main, import everything. Okay, and then I'm going to write a simple print line. Let's just print one line and print this one here. All right. So if you do this, and you're gonna see only one print, it's coming from here, the random lowercase letter. So that's get printed. If you do it again, so you see it's printed. And this main function is not executed because what you see here is this. This one here is this main. This the variable will have a different when name the string value. So if you run the standalone, and that's this value. If you run it from a different program after import it, and this name will be the name of this, the one here you have. This is the name. All right, you can play with it and test it out. And this is very useful. We're going to use it throughout the book when we have functions, and we also write this code and here to with the test code main, and then we have this technique to prevent this main from being called if we import it. So this main will only be called and when you run it standalone. All right, that is all. And for this section, importing a module that contains a main function. Thank you for watching.